Step into the sun-drenched streets of 1969 San Fernando Valley, where Apple TV Plus' latest series, Government Cheese, attempts to blend surrealist comedy with heartfelt drama. But does it succeed, or is it all style with little substance? Meet Hampton Chambers, portrayed by the charismatic David Oyelowo. Fresh out of prison, Hampton returns home with dreams of redemption and a self-invented bit magician drill. But his family's frosty reception and his own flawed nature threaten to derail his plans. His wife, Astoria, played by Simone Miss, has managed the household solo, cultivating a unique family dynamic with their sons, Einstein and Harrison. Einstein, the pole vaulting prodigy, and Harrison, the eagle feather enthusiast, add layers of eccentricity to this already unconventional family. From robbing a synagogue to encountering a woman stuck in a hatch, Hampton's journey is peppered with bizarre events and characters, including a gang of French-Canadian bullies and the town's primary employer, Rocket Corp, a nod to the space race era. Visually, Government Cheese is a masterpiece. The meticulous attention to 1960s detail, from fashion to appliances, transports viewers to a bygone era. But beneath the glossy surface, critics argue the narrative lacks depth and coherence. While Oyelowo's performance is lauded, the series has faced criticism for its meandering plot and underdeveloped characters. As one reviewer aptly put it, it's all garnish and no food. So, is Government Cheese a daring artistic endeavor or a missed opportunity? Dive into the series and decide for yourself. If you're intrigued by the blend of retro aesthetics and quirky storytelling, Government Cheese is streaming now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews and entertainment news.